Hi, everyone. Let's work on TOEFL academic discussion writing today. Many students wonder how ETS grades essays, so today we will examine two sample essays provided by the official ETS. One scored 5 out of 5 and the other 4 out of 5. We will analyze why or how a score 5 essay differs from a score 4 essay. First, here is a score 5 essay. Let's read it together. In the past 200 years, tons of scientific discoveries or technological inventions have been shown to the world. If I had to choose one in particular, it will probably be vaccine or antibiotics. With Pasteur's work and discoveries, the world changed in a way people couldn't imagine. So many people were dying really young because at that time life's conditions were not as good as the one we have now. With vaccine, we could now eradicate diseases that were killing millions of people. We learned so much about the immune system and ways our body was reacting to pathogens and the answers he could produce to defend us against it. Medicine evolved so much and keeps evolving every day because scientists are curious to understand how our body is working and how he is able to communicate with our environment. People aged 40 are now not that old and still have a really long life to live and enjoy, when 2 centuries ago it was synonymous of 80% chance of dying. And here are ETS raters' comments on the essay. Overall, the response provides well-elaborated explanations and details to support the main opinion and provides a relevant contribution to the discussion. While there are almost no errors in grammar and word choice, there are a few minor ones that have little impact on meaning. The writer is able to use some complex sentences and relatively precise vocabulary, which is expected in a 5-level response. I personally would not give a perfect score for this essay, mainly due to 2 significant grammar mistakes that do make the meaning unclear. The mistakes are related to verb tense and pronoun usage. The tense mistakes occasionally disrupt the flow of reading. The writer should have used the simple present tense instead of the progressive tense for permanent truths and the present perfect instead of the simple past for facts relating to the present. Several pronouns are also used carelessly, such as it and he, making it unclear what their antecedents are. Despite these issues, the essay does have a clear thesis and strong support for the thesis, using relevant disciplinary terms like immune systems and pathogens. In general, it demonstrates proficiency in academic essay writing. Overall, I would give it 4.5 out of 5. Let's fix the essay for grammar and word choice. In the past 200 years, tons of scientific discoveries or technological inventions have been shown to the world. The phrase "have been shown" is awkward and less precise for this context. Additionally, tons is informal for academic writing. This is the corrected version. In the past 200 years, numerous scientific discoveries and technological inventions have been introduced to the world. With Pasteur's work and discoveries, the world changed in a way people couldn't imagine. The past simple changed is fine, but couldn't imagine should be could not have imagined to align with the hypothetical past context. This is the corrected version. With Pasteur's work and discoveries, the world changed in ways people could not have imagined. So many people were dying really young because at that time, life's conditions were not as good as the one we have now. This sentence contains informal language and inconsistent number agreement. So many is less formal than many for academic writing. Really young is an informal phrase. At a young age is more appropriate. Life's conditions is an awkward possessive. Life conditions is clearer. The one should be plural, the ones, to agree with the plural conditions. This is the corrected version. Many people were dying at a young age because life conditions were not as good as the ones we have now. With vaccine, we could now eradicate diseases that were killing millions of people. We learned so much about the immune system and ways our body was reacting to pathogens and the answers he could produce to defend us against it. This sentence has multiple issues: incorrect tense usage, spelling errors, run-on sentence, and unclear pronoun references. With vaccine should be with vaccines, since vaccine is a countable noun. Countable nouns must accompany an article or be in plural forms. Eradicate should be eradicate. Could now eradicate is illogical, since now contradicts the past context could. Either can now eradicate or have been able to eradicate is correct. We learn should be present perfect. We have learned. Our body should be plural. Our bodies, since our body implies we share one body. Was reacting should be in the simple present, as it is about a permanent truth. Our bodies react. The answers he could produce is unclear. Who is the antecedent of he? Produce responses is clearer. It at the end has an unclear antecedent. Them, referring to pathogens, is clearer. This is the corrected version. With vaccines, we have been able to eradicate diseases that were killing millions of people. We have learned so much about the immune system and how our bodies react to pathogens and produce responses to defend against them. Medicine evolved so much and keeps evolving every day. The switch between evolved, past simple, and keeps evolving, present progressive, is jarring and inconsistent. The present perfect, has evolved, conveys ongoing progress. This is correction. Medicine has evolved significantly and continues to evolve every day. Our body is working should be our bodies work. Use plural form and simple present tense for general truths. He is able to communicate. Again, the antecedent of he is unclear. People aged 40 are now not that old. People aged 40 are now considered relatively young. Rephrase for clarity and formality. Really long life, long life. Remove informal intensifier really. When 2 centuries ago, whereas 2 centuries ago. Use a more appropriate transition word and spell out the number. Synonymous of. Synonymous with. Use the correct preposition. Okay, so this is the corrected version that addresses these issues by improving word choice, fixing tense consistency, removing informal language, and clarifying unclear references. In the past 200 years, numerous scientific discoveries and technological inventions have been introduced to the world. If I had to choose one in particular, it would probably be vaccines or antibiotics. With Pasteur's work and discoveries, the world changed in ways people could not have imagined. Many people were dying at a young age because life conditions were not as good as the ones we have now. With vaccines, we have been able to eradicate diseases that were killing millions of people. We have learned so much about the immune system and how our bodies react to pathogens and produce responses to defend against them. Medicine has evolved significantly and continues to evolve every day as scientists strive to understand how our bodies work and interact with our environment. People aged 40 are now considered relatively young and still have a long life to live and enjoy, whereas 2 centuries ago, reaching that age was synonymous with an 80% chance of dying. Struggling with TOEFL writing? Dr. Burns' revolutionary self-study course transforms your TOEFL essay writing skills in just weeks. Master TOEFL integrated and academic discussion essays with proven templates, learn how to craft persuasive arguments, and understand exactly what ETS examiners want. Our comprehensive program covers note-taking strategies for integrated essays and persuasive arguments for academic discussion essays. This affordable course also includes 5 personalized essay corrections, no AI corrections, real expert guidance, stop guessing and start excelling. Enroll today in Dr. Burns' course and transform your TOEFL journey. Your dream score is closer than you think. Now let's examine the official ETS sample essay that received a score of 4 out of 5. Let's read together. From my personal point of view, I think the most important invention is the light bulb. Before it was invented, people have to use candles for illumination in the evening. Its performance is not very stable, and it is produced really high temperature, which would probably lead to a fire accident. Light bulbs, however, produce constant and bright lighting at nights. One light bulb could use for several years, which is quite convenient. People don't need to storage many bulbs. What's more, it is safer than past candles. This is a huge progress in technology, and I consider it as the most vital invention from the last 200 years. And this is ETS's comments on the essay. This is a generally successful response. However, the argument might have been a little stronger if the writer had discussed not only why light bulbs are better than candles, but also why light bulbs are the most important invention of the past 200 years, other than computers and cell phones, perhaps by mentioning at least one way in which they have helped societies progress. While the writer uses a nice variety of grammatical constructions and fairly precise vocabulary, the number and type of errors in grammar and vocabulary prevent it from reaching the highest score level. I absolutely agree with the ETS rater's comments that grammar is the main obstacle for this essay. The essay begins poorly with redundancy. From my personal point of view, I think is redundant. Either phrase alone would suffice. That is, the essay can start with "in my opinion" or "I believe." It then exhibits many very basic grammar mistakes. For example, its performance should be its performance, possessive, not contraction. It is produce should be it produces. Could use should be could be used, passive voice. Storage, noun, is used instead of store, verb. This type of basic grammar mistake is not present in the previous essay that scored 5. In the score 5 essay, the grammar mistakes are more nuanced, like using progressive tense when simple tense is needed. The problem was more on the nuanced meaning, not grammar per se. By contrast, this essay has mistakes that just show lacking evidence of grammar knowledge, although the essay does have a clear thesis and support for the thesis is substantive. These errors in basic grammar should be the main reason that the essay cannot receive the maximum score. This revised essay should receive the maximum score. In my opinion, the most important invention of the past 200 years is the light bulb. Before its invention, people relied on candles for illumination, which were inefficient and posed significant safety risks as they produced unstable lighting, emitted high heat, and could easily cause fires, making them both inconvenient and dangerous. The light bulb revolutionized how people live and work by providing consistent, bright illumination that is far safer and more reliable than candles. Additionally, light bulbs are long-lasting, with a single bulb functioning for years, eliminating the need to frequently replace or store large quantities. The light bulb was not just an improvement in domestic life, it also revolutionized the economy and society by extending productive hours beyond daylight. Nighttime became an opportunity for workers to relax in bars and restaurants, promoting vibrant nightlife and offering greater flexibility in daily routines. This invention fundamentally changed human civilization, enhancing both quality of life and productivity.